Now if you stick your hand between the valve cover and this AC line right here, go back, swoop it towards the driver's side, you'll feel the upstream O2 sensor right here. Follow that wire with your hand, because you can't see anything, but you can feel it. And then right underneath, right here, you'll see this green wire. This is the downstream O2 sensor. So squeeze on that connector and unplug it. And then if you look down, you'll see it's actually held on right there with a little retainer, but we can get that from underneath. And from underneath, you can see the downstream O2 sensor right here. Follow it along. It's going to have a few brackets that will have to get just, well, slightly massaged and persuaded to open up. Let's just call it that. This one, I didn't have to bend it. I just pulled it out with my fingers. And maybe we'll get lucky and this one will be the same. Looks like no. I'll grab some pliers and just try to open this one up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so now our O2 sensor wire is free. Let's just go ahead and pull it down. At this point, we have to remove the O2 sensor from the pipe. As you can see, this one is not looking too great on the threads right here. It's pretty rusty. I'm going to give it a shot, but most likely it's not going to work, and I'm going to have to use some heat, which is okay. But, like I said, I'll give it a shot. Oh, okay. Well, made me look like a fool. Well, sometimes you get surprised by things. Either way, remove this, set it aside. Take your oxygen sensor and thread it on. Okay, now that it's bottomed out, let's get our tool and tighten it up. You can also use a 22mm wrench. All right, now we're going to take the oxygen sensor and route the wire through all of these retainers. And the ones that I opened up, I'm going to squeeze back shut. That way it holds the wire nicely. Bring it up over here, snap that into place. There we go. Continue following it up. Put it in this retainer on the manifold here. Now all we have to do is plug it in. Let's connect it. Make sure it clicks. There we go.